Okay, let's brag about Adam. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Ryan. Whoops. If you don't know, where is he here? Is he in the audience? I didn't see him come in. Adam Hinkle, one of our esteemed longtime members of Banjo Quest, um, an all around awesome dude, a great musician, and a very talented banjo maker and woodworker, is making bridges. Look at this bridge he made me. So the answer is Ryan, yes. This is, oh, it's so lovely. Let me try to get it in frame. Yeah. There it is. You see it? Oh gosh, I'm really not doing a good job. It's been a while, people. Look at it. Isn't it pretty? It sounds super good. It kind of gave this Tupelo a new life. Hard to see the details. They're very detailed and gorgeous. Compensated moon style bridge. Yeah, Adam Hinkle. He's on Discord if people are trying to reach him. And he does under Black Sheep Banjos. Ryan, if you've got a URL or something, does he have a URL? He probably does. You know. Yes, they're super, super great. Handmade, one at a time by Adam, lovingly. And even the packaging is really cool. It comes packaged in the scroll sawdust from his workshop. Not like loose, like powdery sawdust, but like the big curls of his working. And so I don't know. I was charmed by the packaging. Okay, good. Yeah, so he's on Instagram and he is also on our Discord. He's so fun, easy to work with, and highly recommended. Yeah, loving it. So Ryan, you got one. You said just sent him some old growth reclaimed redwood. That is crazy. That's very cool. You'll have to post when that's done. I'd love to see that. Very neat.